Welcome to Group 8's presentation. Here we will be giving a few hints as to what our group assigned battle is. Propaganda influence played a big role in encouraging patriotism amongst Americans. This particular war cry was given by George Dewey, Admiral of the Navy, to help with U.S. forces during this battle. These men are 1st Nebraska Volunteers moving on the seashore toward Manila. First Colorado Volunteers occupy Fort San Antonio de Abad in Malate District, Manila. Here in this photo is Commodore George Dewey and his naval crew on board the well-known USS Olympia. Here in this photo is a bamboo entrenchment of the Filipinos across the Manila and Tagupan Railway. The cannon is a bronze piece captured from the Spaniards June 1898. In this depiction of the battle, we see American forces and Spanish forces in the middle of battle. As we can see, American naval forces are victorious here in this scene.
Created using Powtoon.